Welcome to this video on Zero Premium, a new approach to healthcare financing designed to simplify the system. Our current insurance-based model was designed in the 1930s, when people rarely used the health system. Today, it no longer fits our needs, creating a complex and often inefficient financial instrument for modern healthcare. Zero Premium's purpose is to start a quality chain reaction in healthcare. By freeing up capital, removing antagonism, and fostering a competitive market, we aim to redefine care and focus on treating disease rather than just symptoms. The solution is to replace traditional health insurance benefits with an employer-backed line of credit. This model shifts the focus from ensuring risk to financing consumption, ensuring prompt payment and driving market competition. Here is the product flow. The employer backs health expenses via a line of credit. Members choose their providers using support tools, providers are paid immediately, and a catastrophic safety net covers costs over $30,000. Our business model demonstrates how interest and fees on healthcare services generate revenue, while not interfering with care delivery. Why now? Out-of-touch policies combined with increasing pressure on both employers and consumers have created a market inflection point. Rising costs and insurance overhead have made the current system unsustainable for many. The U.S. health market is vast, at $4.9 trillion. Private health insurance accounts for $1.5 trillion. While out-of-pocket costs are rising rapidly. Zero Premium targets private employers under pressure to reduce these significant health costs. Our revenue model is simple. We act as a bank for healthcare, earning interest on medical spend, transaction fees for visits, prescriptions, and retail revenue. This table provides a cost comparison for an employer with 1,000 employees, contrasting the expenses of a traditional self-insured plan against the Zero Premium model. Similarly, this comparison shows the potential cost differences for an individual employee, highlighting how the Zero Premium model can reduce direct premium and out-of-pocket burdens. Finally, these sample financials over a 3-year period for a 5,000 employee population show how the model results in a positive net income and increased efficiency in healthcare spending.